Good morning. Third standard. Now we are going to the next lesson. Saying without speaking. Saying without speaking. Can you understand anything with this heading? You want to say something, but without opening your mouth. Sometimes we'll do that, no? Yes. Yes. You want something without mummy's knowledge. You try to speak to your daddy with your eyes, with your hand. Yes. Now, before going to the lesson, saying without speaking, we have to learn about the main parts of our body. Without that, we cannot learn anything in the world. That is the gate. That is the way for knowledge. That is the way for everything in the world. Through that only you are learning everything in the world. What are they? There are 5 organs. Organs means parts, 5 parts which help you to learn the things. One by one, there are five organs. We call them as sense organs. Sense means feeling. Sense means feeling, or seeing, hearing, tasting. That's a sort of feel that we call them as a sense organs. What are the different sense organs? The 5 sense organs I told you. The first one is the eye. The eye is the first thing. Just if you look at anything, you enjoy with your eye. Imagine you are going to read, you write, draw, or look at a picture. You want to watch TV, or you want to watch the nature. You need an eye. Eye is helping us to see things and send it to the brain. See, first day you are seeing Sheila Bosco miss. The next, after a week or after a year, you know the miss who was going there is Sheila Bosco. Mommy would have given you nice ice cream 2 years, she would have made 2 years back. You'll still remember the taste of it, and you'll tell her, Mommy, green color, this one, and with the top of it a big cherry, you kept it, that ice cream you made, Noma. You remember still because your eyes will remember things. Send it to the brain and you'll remember. That is the first sense organ. The second, Mummy makes your favorite dish. As you enter from the house itself, from the school, you'll ask her, Amma, are you making this? Yes. The nose. The nose, we breathe as well as we smell. Whether it's a good smell or a bad smell, whatever it is, it's helping us to first breathing and then smell. Sense organ means it's help us to smell things. You correctly says whatever mommy makes, whatever she, without seeing it, you will say, Mommy, you are making this. With the smell of the cooking itself, you will try to say the things. Next, we'll move on to the third sense organ. Hearing, that is ears. When the teacher is talking to you, you will hear. The lesson will be heard. Somewhere, some nice song is there. Wow, I like this song. I like that music. Somewhere your daddy is standing. You can't see him. You are in middle of the park or somewhere. Your daddy is calling you. Immediately, you will be out of fear. My daddy is somewhere there. By the voice of the daddy, you are able to identify your daddy is calling you, because ears will differentiate. Suppose your crow is making a noise. Oh, crow is making a. Suppose your dog is barking. The voice, a different voice, you are able to identify. That is another sense organ is ear. The next sense organ. See, you are sleeping. Your mommy comes and hugs you. A mommy comes and just tap you on your cheeks, or she's just rubbing on your head. You know it. You know the sense. You will feel it. Yes? Yes? The same thing. She pinches you for doing something wrong. That also you know it. By the sense. Mommy is doing. Mommy is loving me so much. Mommy is correcting me. The sense of it. A sense. Somebody comes and hug you. You know the sense. Yes? The pain. The pinches or something pricks. That is the another sense organ, which is the skin. That is the biggest sense organ, because it covers the whole body from head to toe. From head to leg it is covers. Biggest sense organ is skin. Now the favorite sense organ we are coming to. You know the smell of it. Ready to eat. Okay. But mommy is serving you a dish of sweet, a dish of bitter gourd soup. What will you do? Sweet you will eat faster. And then the bitter gourd soup, 1 month. Mummy, what is this? That helps. Suppose she puts lot of chili and she makes something. Then you will say, too hot. That is another sense organ is the tongue. There one more work it is doing. Sense organ, it's sensing whether it is sweet or whether it is bitter or sour or hot. Okay, all that it's feeling. But it helps us to speak, help us to eat. Yes or no? Sometimes we will tell you in the class, oh my God, thank God the tongue is made up of flesh, because it can roll any ways it can roll. Anything it can do. It can speak good things. It can taste good things. Yes, we have to control our tongue by speaking good things, by eating healthy food. Yes. Now there are 5 sense organ I told you. Eye, ear, nose, skin and tongue. Now senses. Eye is used for seeing. Ear is used for hearing. Nose is used for breathing as well as smelling. Skin is used for feeling. Yes, you will feel anything. Then tongue is used for talking and tasting. This is called senses. 5 sense organs, but they do different 7, more than 5 work. Okay, that's called senses. And now with that I am finishing the lesson. This is only an introduction part. You have to draw all the sense organs in your notebook. In one page itself you divide into 5 boxes and draw all the 5 sense organ. Write the name of it and write the senses. What are the senses? Because all that the picture is given. The second page I have given sense organ with the senses. That picture also you have to draw. That's all your homework today. I'll meet you in the evening again for the workbook. Thank you. Stay safe.